Say hi.
Hi. What?
My belly! Yo, sorry about that today.
Hey!
Belly! Because I freaking ate Chinese food, man. I had all leftovers I couldn't fucking finish. So I'm like, stuffing that bitch down. I was
Maybe.
like,
Yeah.
Then I go to where I work. I'm like, oh, my belly.
What?
You're making a video.
The girl that I work with is like, belly, my belly. I was like,
Pump the gym, pump it up.
Why the feet and stuff. That would have sucked if I would have let go. Art gallery, ready? You recording or you taking pictures?
Recording, yeah, taking pictures. You look fucking gay, dude. You look so fucking gay. Oh, dude, you look like some shit on the thing.
I know, my bad. I got boogers on there. Let me put